I love Inspira because the training which they offer us is really good and commendable. They train us before any particular type of session we have to take. I love the senior trainers because their feedback really helped me, and I feel all trainers here to improve more and more. Inspira is really doing a great work in every sense, and I think that apart from teaching and training students, the way they are teaching and training the trainers, that is much more appreciable. Like, I have worked for several organizations, but I have never seen any organization so serious about the training of the trainers, and these trainings really add extra value to our lives. So thank you, and that's why I love Inspira.